This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sharon Alexander. Beautifully cared for 2012 Fleetwood, located in the beautiful Big Valley Woods manufacturing home community with its walking trails, ponds and a recreation center. Great floor plan with a nice master suite with a full bath and 2 additional bedrooms on the opposite side of the home. Large kitchen with lots of storage and counter space for the chef and the family. Great setting with a large yard, carport, and room for lots of guest parking. Ramp to laundry room door 2. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Alexander at 503-666-2020.